Mr. Bush's mom is get your math done. He's going to show you some stuff.
Here we have the assignment from for April 8th, 11.2 worksheet 2, 1 through 10. I'm going to do the odds for your notes, and you should do the evens. And I'll do the same thing for tomorrow's assignment also. So, remember, when you have something in the parentheses to a power, everything in the parentheses goes to that power. X to the negative, oh, I could have probably done this quicker, huh? So x to the negative 2 to the negative 4, you multiply the powers, it's negative 8. X to the negative 3, negative 4, you multiply the powers, it's negative 12. They're both negatives, so you move them to the denominator and makes them positive. This is x to the 8th, oh, in the denominator. X to the 12th. I'm going to put the answer right there. And when you multiply those, you get x to the 8 plus 12 is 20. So 1 over x to the 20th. Of course, let me do this in a different color. I think I can grab a different color pen. If this is orange, no, it is. It's okay. I'll do it in orange. I could have done this first, right? If you multiply these together, you get x to the negative 5th to the 4th power, right? Which is x to the negative 20th. And then you move it to the denominator. So anyway, I probably could have done it that way. Would have been easier. Okay, but anyway, let's simplify this. This is n to the 9th. A power of a power you multiply times 2 n to the negative 1. Now we could just add these. We don't have to move this first. 9 plus negative 1 is 8. And the answer is 2 n to the 8th. It doesn't have to be difficult. Like before we start this, you can work on things one at a time. You can see that that 3 would cancel with that 3. So all the numbers, I'm not talking about powers, but the numbers, there's only a 2 and a 4 left, and when you multiply those, you get 8, right? And now look at all the x's that are on their top. There are 2, 4 x's on the top, and there aren't any other x's anywhere else. So I'm just gonna put x to the 4th with that one. And now let's look at the y's. Okay, so I've taken care of this and that and this and that. I just want to make sure I'm keeping track of this. Oh boy, looks like I screwed up because there's more x's here and there's another x there. All right, we'll deal with that in just a second. I'm going to deal with it right now. Sorry. Let's look at x's again. I get a little carried away. So there's 2, 4, 5 on the top, and it's negative 3 on the bottom. So we have to move those to the top also. So for x's, there's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top. That's x to the 8th on the top. I don't know what I was thinking. Now for the y's, there's 4, 8 on the top and 2 on the bottom, right? 8 on the top and 2 on the bottom. If we cancel those one at a time, there would be 6 left on the top. And that's the answer. Sorry, that was a little ugly. Let's try this one. Maybe this will be better. We can do these again, one at a time. Work with the 8s. There's 6 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I'm sorry, x's. 6 on the top, 2 on the bottom. That leaves 4 on the top. Y to the 3rd on the top. This 4 does not go anywhere. Okay, and number 9. Remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. The only thing to the 0 power is this x. This 2 does not have a power on it. Actually, it's an invisible power of 1. So in the numerator, there's an x. In the denominator, this x to the 0 turns into a 1, so there's nothing there, because 2 times 1 is 2. Now I have 2 to the second power, which is the number 4. And that's number 9. Okay? Hopefully this is making sense, and hopefully you can do the evens, and good luck.